Hello friends, welcome to Accurex YouTube channel. So today we have brought a product called vitamin D. So this product basically is a rapid one test semi-quantitative detection of vitamin D in a human blood. Okay, so whenever you have a vitamin D low in your body or it is not sufficient deficiency, this product help you get the results. So before moving to the testing part, we need to understand what precaution and how to handle the product. Okay, so precaution basically you need to wear the gloves to because the sample may be infectious. So you need to always wear the gloves for any testing part. Handling product, you need to store the product at 8 to 30 degrees. Okay, if the pouch is found broken or any seal is open, then don't use that product. Okay, and if the product is expired, don't use that product for the testing. This all thing interferes for the result, so make sure all the things should be as per the packing set. So before going to the testing part, first we will see what are the component comes inside this box. Okay, so inside the kit you will find one pouch vitamin D card, then we have a pack insert and one buffer. Okay, so next we will see how to use this card. Okay, now I have taken the card. So after taking the card, always remember to write the patient name. So this is necessary. Why? Because sometimes mislabeling can create a false positive result to the customers also. So make sure also write the patient name and date. Okay. Next, you require the serum sample. So I collected the sample in a red tube. Okay. So we have given a dropper inside the cassette in a pouch itself. So you need to collect the 10 micro sample as per the procedure. Yeah. So add one drop of sample. Then add 3 drop of buffer. Okay, so this result will come in 10 minutes. Don't take the results after 10 minutes. Okay, so how to interpret, how to verify the results, we'll show you in the next video. So how to read the result? So you need to compare this line with the given chart in a pack insert. So in that pack insert, you can refer given lines that if the line is light, then it is a sufficient vitamin D greater than 32. If it is a medium line, then means it is insufficient. It is 20 to 32. And the line is dark, it means it is deficient, less than 20. So in this way, you will get the result in 10 minutes.